Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to change your password on your MacBook. There are two different places you can change this and I'll show you both. So let's begin. Grab your cursor and move up to the top left where the Apple logo is and come down to System Preferences. From here locate Users and Groups, click it, and within this you'll see your user account and beside it Change Password. Click Change Password. The first row here is asking for the old password and that's your current password. So type that in. Now for the new password, what you'd like it to be. And just confirm that on this line as well by typing in the new password again. If you want to put a subtle hint, you can do so just here. And when you're ready, click Change Password. Your password's been changed. And to round things off, let me show you the second place you can change your password. If we just go back from Users and Groups, then go across to Security and Privacy. We want to be on the General tab here. And this first line says Change Password. If we click here, you'll see the same password change box. So hopefully that's been useful to you. If it has, really appreciate if you can give the video a quick thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Thanks very much for choosing my video and I wish you a great day ahead.